Did you know your kidneys filter nearly 150 liters of blood every single day? Yet most people damage them without even realizing it. And here's the shocking part. More than 1 in 7 adults already have kidney issues, but almost 90% don't know it. Today, you're about to discover 5 powerful superfoods that can heal, cleanse, and protect your kidneys naturally, using simple foods you can add to your meals starting today. Welcome back to our channel, where we share simple kidney cleanse tips, powerful natural remedies, and everyday foods that support long-term kidney health. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 superfoods that help remove toxins, lower inflammation, and support natural kidney repair. Each food is backed by research, used in Ayurvedic detox routines, and known for its healing antioxidants. Make sure you watch till the end, because superfood number 5 surprises almost everyone. Superfood number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are one of the strongest antioxidant fruits, packed with anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation inside your kidneys. Studies show their antioxidants help lower oxidative stress, which is a major cause of kidney damage. They also support blood vessel health, helping your kidneys filter waste more efficiently. Have you noticed better energy on days you eat fruits? Comment below and tell us your experience with berries. And wait until you hear about superfood number 3. It's used in ancient remedies. Superfood number 2, spinach. Spinach provides a powerful mix of vitamins A, C, E, and antioxidants that support natural kidney detox processes. Its plant-based nitrates help improve blood flow, which reduces the workload on your kidneys. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, helping balance minerals and reducing kidney stress. Many people don't know that leafy greens help protect kidney cells from long-term inflammation. Do you include greens in your daily meals? If you care about kidney repair, natural remedies, and simple foods that protect your health, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us reach more people who want to improve their kidney health naturally. Superfood number 3, cucumber. Cucumbers are more than just a hydrating vegetable. They act like a natural kidney flush. They help remove excess uric acid and reduce water retention, which is extremely important for kidney function. Since cucumbers are 95% water, they help maintain fluid balance and support toxin removal. This simple food has been used for generations in cleansing diets and herbal detox routines. But the next food is even stronger for healing inflammation. Superfood number 4, garlic, 60+ words. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural compound known for reducing inflammation and fighting harmful bacteria. This makes garlic especially helpful for people dealing with kidney stress or mild infections. Research suggests garlic helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which indirectly protects kidney function. Its natural detox properties also support the filtration process. Do you use garlic in your daily cooking? Superfood number 5, lemon water. Lemon water helps flush toxins and supports your kidneys with natural citric acid. This acid helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from crystallizing inside your kidneys. Lemon water also boosts hydration, which is essential for waste removal and a cleaner filtration process. Drinking fresh lemon water every morning is one of the simplest Ayurvedic detox tips for kidney health. And before we end, here's your quick summary. Final note. So these are the 5 powerful superfoods that help cleanse, heal, and protect your kidneys naturally. Blueberries, spinach, cucumbers, garlic, and lemon water. Adding them to your daily meals can support long-term kidney repair and reduce the risk of future problems. Remember, your kidneys work every minute to keep your body clean, so give them the support they deserve. Watch our next video to learn more kidney-friendly foods and daily detox habits.